The proud men and women of the United States Armed Forces. They leave family and home behind. They travel halfway around the world. They place our future, our fortunes, and our lives before their own. And far too many make the ultimate sacrifice. Standing with their families and supporting them every step of the way is the USO of Greater Los Angeles and its Families of the Fallen program.
Welcome home, Isabel. Welcome home.
The Families of the Fallen program honors our fallen heroes, comforting their grieving families, providing travel assistance, and introducing them to programs to help cope with their loss. The USO of Greater Los Angeles is there to help all military families, as it does for more than 100,000 servicemen and women every year. All of these men and women have a home away from home waiting for them at the Bob Hope Hollywood USO at LAX and at USO centers at Ontario International Airport and Palm Springs International Airport. The USO's small staff and an army of volunteers provide food, recreation, a place to relax, and feel valued while waiting for their flights. Across Southern California, it also offers programs and outreach services to military personnel and family members with an array of needs. Although congressionally chartered, the USO is not a government agency. The Greater Los Angeles chapter relies entirely on the generosity of patriotic Southern Californians. This is how we can support our heroes, the men and women of the armed forces, who devote their lives to our freedom. Today, we honor the USO of Greater Los Angeles for its service to our troops, for comforting families in times of grief, and for giving our soldiers a taste of home as they travel through the Southland. Truly, the USO is a treasure of Los Angeles until everyone comes home.